I don't have an Exhibit 55.
Do you have the exhibit that's from May 25th?
I don't see anything.
On your computer right now, are you able to pull it up while you're talking to me?
I don't have my computer with me right now.
All right.
No, I'm not in a situation where I have a computer.
I did not see his exhibits. Excuse me. Let me,
Do you have a copy of your amended schedules from yesterday?
Again, I don't have my laptop here. We're doing this not in a room where I have access to that. I thought it was just telephonic.
Are you able to scroll down?
Clayton responded to you and said, I'm debating filing a police report. Please leave me alone. Correct?
that's what the text message says. I don't have that, but sure.
And
gross business income for 2024 was $40,785, correct?
Again, I don't have the return here, so I'm relying on you to, yeah.
That's not the return I'm referring to.
Clayton said to you, I'm debating filing a police report. Please leave me alone. Correct?
The context needs to be stated. He did not make
Ms. Owens, I am asking you yes or no questions.
One is true and one is not true. Would you agree? They can't both be true.
Well, the truth lies in the context.
No, the truth
what
lies in the fact that they were both exactly the same question.
Questioned you about any physical health diagnoses that you had, right?
I don't remember, but if you say so, then yes.
You were also required to provide 2024 income, 2025 income, and income for January 1st until the date that you filed on May 22nd, 2026, correct?
If you say so. I'm not claiming to be ignorant about anything.
You're saying you're saying that you don't remember, but this is something you filed yesterday. Go get your amended schedules, please.
You were asking me about what had been filed in 2025 in the Chapter 13. That was the last thing you asked me.
Okay, well, today you've admitted that there was little to no fetal DNA, right?
I've never said there was anything else.
You lied to the court when you made those statements.
I had the appointment scheduled, which you guys have.
Yes or no questions.
I know, but it needs to be answered. Correct. It needs to be answered. I had an appointment scheduled with him that I did not attend, but I did have an appointment scheduled.
The fact of the matter is it was a false statement, correct?
I don't have that. I don't know what, I can't see it in person, so I can't really say.
For documentation to date to support that you have a positive DNA test proving Clayton's the father of your alleged twins, right?
The testing is ongoing. I'm unclear, I guess, is what you're trying to ask me.
No, I was saying I just am unclear as to what. This was 8 months before we filed for Chapter 13. This was an attempt to avoid having to file for bankruptcy. And I'm just unclear as to what it has to do with the Chapter 11.
And you didn't take any opportunity to correct this transcript?
I actually didn't see it until you guys sent it to us. My former counsel never showed this to me.
Well, the prior 13 was dismissed not because we abandoned it, but because our attorney didn't act when I asked him to in writing.
Well, let me just stop and interrupt you there.
Hey, stop.
Yeah, really.
Ms. Owens,
you've never been seen. I mean, if this is good, I'm not comfortable if the JFC crew is going to be having reactions, honestly.
That this online smear campaign has been hounding this and trying to, they've tried to hound every aspect of our lives. So.